Hey guys, it's Dave from Capital Edge Financial Planning with a huge financial planning hack for those first-time home buyers that are looking to purchase a home in the near future here that will save thousands in interest as well as taxes when you're allowed to use your RSP money, your registered retirement savings money, for the down payment of your first house. So essentially, this is a program by the federal government that is recognizing the fact that it's extremely difficult for first-time home buyers to purchase a house, so they're allowing you to use your RSPs for the down payment of a house. So how is this a benefit to you? So advantage number one is that I'm able to use pre-tax dollars for the down payment of my house. So what exactly does that mean? If I make $1,000 and I put that into my RSP, I have $1,000 that's invested. I don't pay any income taxes on that. $1,000 can be used towards the down payment of my house using this home buyer's plan. If, on the other hand, I put that money in my bank account, I'm gonna have to pay personal income taxes. Let's say I'm in a 30% tax bracket. I have to pay $300 in personal income taxes. I'm left with $700. That's what I'd use for the down payment of my house if I took it as a wage. So that's the difference between pre-tax and after-tax. Pre-tax, I'm gonna have more bang for my buck. I'm gonna be paying less interest as far as paying less in mortgage rate or mortgage interest. So it just allows you to have more towards the down payment compared to after-tax with your net pay. And the second advantage of the home buyer's plan is just the interest that you're gonna be saving by reducing your overall mortgage. And there's a maximum amount that you can use towards a down payment. It's $35,000 per person. And just using a quick example, if say for example, I have a $500,000 mortgage. This is my first home, $500,000 is the purchase or the cost of the house. If I use the full $35,000 for my RSP, that's gonna reduce my mortgage down to $465,000. Let's say, for example, I have a 5% interest rate, 25 years. So how much interest am I gonna be saving with that $35,000 down payment for my RSP? Works out to be about $26,000 saved in interest by using my RSP. Huge savings. So what's the catch? Unfortunately, there are some rules whenever using the first-time home buyers plan. And rule number one is you, your spouse, or your common law partner cannot have owned a home 4 years prior to using the first-time home buyers plan. So you can't have owned a home 4 years prior. Rule number two is that the money has to be within your account for at least 90 days before pulling it out for the home buyers plan. So you can't just put it in there the week before and then take it out for the first-time home buyers plan. It has to be in there for at least 90 days. Rule number three is, I'd mentioned before, there is a limit as far as how much you can use or transfer from your RSP, which is $35,000 per person. So between you and your partner, you could have $70,000 combined total for the down payment of your house, which is a huge savings, like I said, in interest. And then rule number four is this is a loan against or from your RSP. You're borrowing it from yourself. So you have to repay the money over a 15-year period. The first payment has to be made 2 years after you take it out, but basically you are repaying it back over a 15-year period to be put back into your RSP. As you can see, there is a little planning involved in using this strategy since the money has to be, number one, in the account for at least 90 days, and number two, you have to have a sizable amount in your RSP in order to transfer it for the down payment of your house. So if you or someone you know is gonna be purchasing a house, their first home in the near future here, definitely pass this along. This is a huge tax savings. It's gonna start them out on the right foot, helping them reduce taxes, helping them reduce interest as far as their mortgage. So hopefully you found this helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Like I said, I'll have some information in the link below, but until next month, take care and stay safe.